In the trash you go. In the trash you go. In the trash you go. In the trash you. In the trash you go. Hey guys, what's up, Wagwan? It's your girl SHA.maican, and today I'm back with another DIY because I do it myself. Today we're going to be changing the speaker covers in the back of my 05 Camry. I got these at the junkyard for $10. I know they sell them on eBay, probably on Amazon too, but you know, I'm a junkie. Anyway, I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you what I'm working with. Okay, so this is what's going on with my speakers. What's happening is that the heat from the sun, because I don't have a cover or my car is not parked in a garage, these just start to break away very easily. It's not happening here. Oh, maybe this one. See how that just kind of chipped away just by touching it? So I don't know if it's happening on this side. So the ones that I got are cloth. They're fabric instead of plastic, so hopefully that will not happen again. That and some trusty Gorilla Glue, I'm sure we can get it done. So let's just get started. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna move this out of the way. And then I have this here. Hopefully it can fit underneath this to kind of pry it open. And I don't think it is. To kind of lift it. Lord, I hope I don't break the back of my mirror here. No, how about from here? Oh, here we go. Okay. Okay, I got a phone call. Anyway, so I push this under here and I'm just gonna rip this up with my hands. So now this had some little things here that went into holes on this. I'm not too worried about those because I plan to use glue to hold down the new ones that I bought, so I really don't too care about that part. We're gonna go ahead and do this one. I might have to readjust to this side so you can see what's going on. Also, just a reminder that I don't edit. I don't know how to edit. I don't like to edit. I'm just gonna attach a bunch of videos together and hope it works. This feels hard. Got it. There we go. Sucker. Alrighty. Just a couple more. I'm getting hot. So I'm wearing too much clothes. Oh, okay. There we go. That's better. And here's the other one. So I don't know if this side is not as fragile as the other side, but all right. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna use my vacuum and we're gonna vacuum out all this excess stuff here, and after we vacuum that, then we're just gonna glue the other one down. Pretty easy, I think. Whew. Okay, I am back with my handy dandy vacuum. That's too big. Just gonna clean this up, making sure we get all the little bits and pieces before we glue this down. I think I got a piece of paper stuck in there. Hey, do you see that? I don't know what's going on there, but you know what I got? This and this. So we're gonna work something out. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Smush it a little bit. And then we're just gonna put this. So what I just did was I put some glue down, and then I just put this on top of it because there's a rip here, and then I'm gonna rip away some of the excess of this paper towel, and then I'm gonna put the cover on. I don't know if that's gonna work, but when I'm done, you're gonna hear it and see. Okay, so quick update. I had to remove these because when I laid this on top of it, it was not sitting as neatly as I would like, because these things here they matched up with each other and they were kind of sticking out. So I had to take them out. So now it fits perfectly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take the Gorilla Glue and just put it around the edges and sort that out. Okay, so I should let you know that I'm not putting it like a line. I prefer to do these dots because I change my mind very often, and if I decide to change this to something else in the future, I like the flexibility of knowing that I can just take it off and redo it. So yeah. Okay, so I don't know if you can see where the little dots are. Like I said, I did it very, very lightly. I feel like I didn't do enough, but I don't want it to spill out. Gorilla Glue is supposed to be like quite strong. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it now. Place it right about there. Perfect. And I have these 5-pound weights that I'm going to put on it to help it stay. See how some of the glue is right there? That's why I didn't want to put too much, because I kind of figured that would happen. But thankfully it's clear, so it doesn't really bother me. Okay, here we go, guys. Here is the second one, and I have already put the little dots of glue on it. So I'm simply going to flip it over and place it where I want it to be. Perfect. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of pressure, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take my 5-pound weight and just put it right in the middle, and we're all done. So we're going to leave this until tomorrow morning. It's about 5 or 6 o'clock right now. We're gonna leave this till tomorrow morning, and we're gonna check on it to make sure that they are down. Hopefully I won't have to put any more glue, but hey, I have a whole tube. I got some. Good morning. Coming to you live from inside my Camry. We're gonna check out the results of our DIY for yesterday. So first I'm gonna take these off, and haha, it's on there pretty good. Let's check the other one. Yeah, oh, this one is a tad loose, but I can fix that. But it worked, and I love it.